Ever have leftover bananas that just aren't going to get eaten? Toss them in the freezer whole to use in this easy banana smoothie. All you'll need is a blender, a frozen banana, peanut butter powder, which has far less oil and fat than regular peanut butter, plus is easier to deal with, your favorite unsweetened non-dairy milk, and cocoa powder, which has no sugar. Start by carefully cutting the banana into 4 sections and then divide each section lengthwise. Take care to hold the banana in a secure and safe position as you cut it. Some frozen bananas seem to peel easier than others. If you have trouble, try soaking it in room temperature water as you remove the peel. Add the banana, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter powder, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa into the blender. While you may be tempted to add more cocoa, remember that cocoa is unsweetened and can overwhelm the flavor of the smoothie. Add the non-dairy milk to end up at about the 2-cup line, then blend on low for around 30 seconds. Scrape the sides with a wooden spoon if needed and blend for a few more seconds before serving. As always, thanks for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoy our videos.